Hello and welcome to the Nebula. In this video, I am going to show you how the app works and how you can get started with Nebula. So after login, you will see this dashboard. As you can see, all the features are available over here. So first of all, what is Nebula? Nebula is AI powered Facebook channels content creation app. By using this app, you can maintain and you can continue with your Facebook channel. Okay. Meta introduced a brand new feature, broadcast channels on Facebook and Messenger. So based on this concept, we have created Nebula, by which user can create channels content and maintain contents in daily basis. People who manage Facebook pages can start broadcast channel as a way to engage more deeply with their followers. So this is the Facebook article feature. Here you may write like affiliate marketing in 2024. Okay, and based on that my result, I can easily generate a content and then I can easily copy and post to my Facebook channel to grow the audience. And yeah, as you can see, the content has been created successfully, so I just need to copy and I can easily paste to my Facebook channel, as well as Facebook image, Facebook video. Here if I write like marketing and hit the enter, as you can see, within a second I have received a lots of video based on that marketing. So I just need to download and upload to my Facebook channel. So whenever we download and upload to our Facebook channel, we have received both traffic and sale. Hashtag is a very important feature. With hashtag, you can easily engage more deeply with your followers. So you can add the hashtags according to your article or your content. Here is a Facebook pages option. Here one thing you have to know that the popular social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they don't allow the direct affiliate link. So based on that, we have to use a medium like a landing page or any opt-in page. So as you can see, all the landing page, checkout page, coming soon page, opt-in page, thank you page are available. So you can add your affiliate link into this page and you can directly attach this landing page to your Facebook post. So whenever the user reach out to your post, they will see this particular page, and here you can put your affiliate link. So when someone purchase by using your landing page, you will get commission. Okay, so whenever we have tested with our affiliate link and attached in this landing page, we have received both traffic and sale. Here is a Facebook story or reels option. With this feature, you can create the Facebook reels or story. As you can see, all the different templates are available, so you just need to choose your preferable template. Not only that, here is a video option, image, text, element. You can add any kind of element into your video. You can change the color, anything you can do it with this video builder. Okay, so after that you can simply download and upload as your channel story, and this is a very useful thing to engage your audience. Okay, here is a Facebook AI bot feature. With this particular feature, you can talk with the chatbot and you can generate any kind of answer, suggestion, each and everything. And this particular bot will help you a lot to build your success in case of traffic and sales. Here is a Facebook traffic feature. So you can easily blast your Facebook channels to 100 plus free traffic sources. Here you just need to enter your Facebook channel and you can blast over the 100 plus social media, and all are the free traffic sources. So whenever we have tested, we have blast our Facebook traffic channels to 100 plus social media platforms, and we have received both traffic and sales. Thank you so much.